There is one investment account that the government literally created to help everyday people build tax-free wealth. And most people in their 20s have never even heard of it. It's called a Roth IRA. And if you don't have one yet, this video might be the most important 7 minutes of your financial life. I'm going to explain exactly what it is, why it's so powerful, and how to open one today in under 10 minutes. Let's go. A Roth IRA is a type of individual retirement account. IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account. What makes it special is one thing. You put in money that you've already paid taxes on, and from that point forward, everything it earns grows completely tax-free. When you take the money out in retirement, you pay zero taxes on any of it. Compare that to a traditional 401k or IRA where you get a tax break now, but pay taxes when you withdraw. With a Roth, you pay taxes once, now, when your income is likely lower, and never again. Over 30 or 40 years of compound growth, the difference in what you actually keep is enormous. Let me show you why this matters with real numbers. Say you invest $6,500 a year, the current annual contribution limit, from age 25 to 65. That's $260,000 of your own money going in over 40 years. In a taxable account at a 22% tax rate on gains, you'd end up with roughly $900,000 after taxes at retirement. In a Roth IRA with the same 8% return, you'd end up with around $1.8 million and owe zero taxes on any of it. The tax-free compounding over 40 years nearly doubles your outcome. That's not a small difference. That's the difference between comfortable and wealthy in retirement. As of 2025, you can contribute up to $7,000 per year to a Roth IRA if you're under 50. That works out to about $583 per month or $134 per week. You don't have to hit the max. Any amount helps. Even $50 a month is a start. There is an income limit, though. If you earn above a certain threshold, currently around $146,000 as a single filer, your ability to contribute phases out. But for most people in their 20s starting out, this isn't an issue. You're well within the eligible range. One important rule, you must have earned income to contribute. So a regular job, freelance income, or self-employment income all qualify. Investment income alone does not. The best places to open a Roth IRA as a beginner are Fidelity and Vanguard. Both are free to open, have no account minimums, and are trusted by millions of investors. Fidelity has a slightly better user interface and is often recommended for first-timers. Vanguard invented the index fund and is the gold standard for long-term passive investing. Avoid opening a Roth IRA at a bank. Most banks charge fees or offer limited investment options compared to a dedicated brokerage. Stick with Fidelity or Vanguard. Go to their website, click Open an Account, choose Roth IRA, and follow the steps. The whole process takes about 10 minutes. Opening the account is only step one. The mistake most beginners make is opening the Roth IRA and then leaving the money sitting in cash inside the account. It earns almost nothing and isn't invested at all. You have to actually buy something with it. For beginners, the answer is simple. Buy a total market index fund or an S&P 500 index fund. On Fidelity, that's FZROX or FXAI. Both are zero fee. On Vanguard, it's VTI or VTSAX. Pick one, set up automatic monthly contributions, and buy more every month. That's it. You don't need anything more complicated than that to build serious long-term wealth. The single biggest mistake beginners make with a Roth IRA is waiting. Waiting until they have more money. Waiting until the market feels less scary. Waiting until they understand it better. And every month they wait is compound growth they can never get back. Here's a concrete example of how much waiting costs. If you open a Roth IRA at 25 and invest $200 a month, you'll have around $700,000 at 65. If you wait until 35 to start that same $200 a month, you'll have about $280,000. A 10-year delay costs you $420,000. The best time to open a Roth IRA was yesterday. The second best time is today. Here's your action step for today. And I mean today, not this week, not this month, today. Go to fidelity.com or vanguard.com and open a Roth IRA. It takes 10 minutes. You don't need a lot of money to start. You just need to start. Quick recap. A Roth IRA grows tax-free. You contribute up to $7,000 a year. Open it on Fidelity or Vanguard for free. Invest in a total market index fund and start as soon as humanly possible. Every year you delay is money you cannot recover. If this video helped you understand something that nobody taught you, subscribe. Every week, I break down exactly how to build wealth from zero in plain language made for people who are just getting started. Drop a comment. Do you already have a Roth IRA, or is this your sign to open one today? I read every single one. See you next week.